Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from POCO C61 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of POCO and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on POCO, using all of those categories at the top. Pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide, close an ad, allow camera access and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. Whatever you decided, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!